Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Enhance Your Skills. Today we are going to learn a very important function in Excel which is used in many cases where you want to share your data with your superiors along with some attachments and files. So if you can see in my screen, I have one project information file where we have the project IDs, project name, and when the project was started and when it is expected to end, along with the status and the saving of that particular project. So when I want to share this file to my superior, I need to give some the basic evidences and some background of this project. So I'd want to include all those information in one file only, and I want to attach that particular backend evidence of that particular project in this Excel file. So let's start how we can do that. So first we have to do is my first project is project ABC. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to attach my file here, here and here. So total there are three projects. I have to edit three files, and file can be of any type of nature. It can be PDF, it can be PowerPoint, it can be Excel, it can be a email. So every type of file we can attach in Excel. So let's start how we can add this in the Excel format. So there is an option called insert. We'll go to the insert, and under this you have to go to the icon text, and there is an option called object. You have to click this, and here you have to select the type of object which you want to add. If you don't know the type, it's not a problem. You can just go to create from file. You can select the option browse, and you can select the file wherever it is saved. Like my file is in downloads, so I will click downloads, and my first project is ABC, so this is the project background file. I will select this. I will click on insert, and I want to display this file as an icon. You can also add as a link also, but I want this in an icon format, and you can change the icon from here if you want to change. Okay, so we have some formats here, you can change from there, but I want in this format only, so I will keep it that only. After having this information updated, I will click OK. Now if you see, the file is added here. You can change the size of your file. It can be, you can make it big also, you can make it small also. Now this is the presentation file, so it's in a PPT mode. And now when you send this file, the person who has this information, this file, he can open this presentation by double click on this, and he can just read the information. So this is the PPT project detail ABC. So this is one example of inserting a file in the Excel. So I have other projects also. So I need to attach multiple files, and it can be of any format. So for like if there is a project XYZ and this project information is in Excel format. Okay. So what I will go, I will click insert, I will go to the text, I will select object, and I will go to create for file. I will click browse. I will go to the downloads. So if you see there, this is the Excel file. I will click on this. I will click insert, display as icon. If you want to change, you can click here. If you want to keep it as is, then you can click OK. Now you can see that Excel file is also available here. We can open this by double click on this. Hope you got this. So now we have the third project. We will go again in the insert function, click on text, click on object icon, create from file, browse. I have my files in the downloads, and this is the PDF version. So I want to add the PDF file. Okay, I will click select PDF file, and I will click insert, display as icon, and click OK. So now I have all the files available in my Excel. So likewise, you can add any kind of file in your Excel, and you can keep it as a one simple complete file for sharing your projects or any kind of data to your superiors or to any client. And it is just a consolidated file now, including your data with evidences, attachments, and supporting. So if you have any question, you can reach out to us by just sending a message or sending your comments, or you can also email us. I hope you liked this video. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and enhance your skills and keep learning.